Okay, here's a quick update. My computer's being cheeky, so I'm gonna record it on my phone, and then I'll finish the video with the computer. Okay, today I finished printing these guys, and they're the joint and top of the bracket for the part that holds the whole system to the frame. And I put last time the little pin inside the hinge fell out, so I went ahead and printed one with a little cap on it, so they'll go together. And these three are basically one system. The right hand side, because it has a curve, but it can work either or, so you can print two of the same sides and it would be perfectly fine. They don't matter. The bracket that goes on the inside of the frame, the part that holds the motor, the cap that goes on top of the, I think the little door stopper, I think that's what it is, and the part that goes in here. Now of course using actual bearings would be ideal or better, but the point of this project is to print as much of it as possible, and then I'll test to see how long it lasts, but it should last a while. I put 3 layers on it, 3 1mm layers, and I filled it in about 50%. Most of the friction is going to be on the outside, so you want to put as many layers as you can. The inside doesn't really matter. If it gets through the outside, the inside's not going to do much to stop it. I'll go ahead and put them together, put this other side together, and we'll carry the battery out. And another good thing is that this bastard didn't burn. Which one is it? Is this one the good one? Oh, this one's good. This guy. You see how black it is? But it still works, so that's another really good news. See, you can see pieces of PLA still melted on the part. We'll use the 24 volt battery because why not? And we'll give it a test. So I'll talk to you soon. Everything's looking much better, much cleaner, much more durable. I still have to put the little rubber bands. The motor, the battery's there. Everything's in this little box. An external battery to power the dyno tester or the servo tester. And it's working. They're spinning the right way. We won't try it out here. We're going to drive a bit out and then give it a try. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I know. I'm wearing my wooden sandals. Give me a break. Let's give it a try. We're going to go to 7-Eleven and get a snack. Yeah, totally worth all the fun, all the effort. This is so easy. Look, I'm not pedaling at all. As you can see by the stationary wooden sandal. I know it's dark. I do apologize for that. Alright, let's see how warm they got. Again, the same issue. They're incredibly hot. Almost too hot for the touch. This one's not too bad. The screws are getting warm. This one's a lot harder. A lot harder. Look, even the plastic's soft. So this bracket's done. Look, it's all melted. I know why now. These controllers are not even. This one's working first before the other one activates, and it heats up because it's the only one working. It's spinning faster than the other, thus taking most of the working more. And the result is it heats up. Oh, it got hard. That's what she said. Alright, let's try. We could probably ride it back. But the thing is, I would have to turn them both at full power. Or I can even them out now. Okay, how you even out them with this servo tester is you unplug it. And then you turn it way up. And then you plug it back in. And it should spark. And hopefully it doesn't hurt. And I'll play the music of our people. Then we turn it down. Now they should be even now. That should have reset the ESCs. Let's see if they both turn out at the same time. It's working. That's scary. Well, that one's warped now. So we'll have to reprint that guy, but it should last the ride home. And if one gets super hot, then we know they're not even again. But they should both heat up at the same rate. That was full throttle. Okay, the conclusion is today that PLA is still melting. This is the guy that melted. This is the one that's okay. Melted, okay. And you can tell the difference between the two. But the system works. And the actual rubber part was coming loose because the damn thing has so much torque, which is really, really exciting for me. I should be able to pop out this pin and hopefully just print out the bracket or the motor holder. Motor holder. And if that works, then I just need to reprint another one. Try to see if I evened out, make sure I evened out the two ESCs so that they both turn on at the same time. Because one's turning on before the other, and it's turning out at a faster speed, making it work a lot more than the other one is. But I'll probably finish that tonight and then ride around tomorrow. Now out here we have a donut shop called Mr. Donuts, and it's fantastic. But 7-Eleven's been giving it a run for its money, and they both had to change their strategy because 7-Eleven made the first move and they took a huge chunk out of them. And this looks like the Mr. Donut's signature donut, and they're made with like their texture's different. It tastes almost like a mix between, or the texture feels like a marshmallow and bread mix. It's really, really good. I don't know if this is any better. Now it makes sense why Mr. Donuts is worried. This is really good. Wow. I really should get back on these snacks. The bike wouldn't heat up if I wasn't so fat. Oh well. So, power was good.
This part's good. The new joint I printed. Battery's good. Throttle's good. Everything's good. The thing that might fail now is look how fast it's burned up. Because of how hard it spins. But that's not a bad thing. I might have to limit the power. I might have to assist it more. And then one of them heating up is an issue. What I could also do to troubleshoot it is switch the motors around. Not positions, but switch them between the ESCs and make it use the other one. And see if the other motor now heats up connected to the ESC, the one that was heating up was connected to today. If it heats up, if the new motor heats up, then I know that it's the ESC. If the other one if the same one keeps heating up, even though it has a different ESC connected to it, then we know it's this bastard that's unhappy with life. And we'll have to find a new one for it. We can troubleshoot these easily. That's it for tonight. Sorry the video is so long. I hope you enjoy watching. And if you have any comments and questions, or you find yourself in Tokyo, try one of these. So good. I also had one more snack, but I'll show you that tomorrow. Have a good night. Thank you. Ooh, that looks good. Can I ask you? Oops. One more thing. I'm really sorry for surprising that guy. I really didn't mean to do that on purpose. I heard him drop whatever he was working with, and I feel pretty bad about it. I was wearing wooden sandals. He should have heard me from a mile away. It's not common for people to walk on wooden shoes. But still, I'm sorry. Have a good night.